Welcome to the Automotive Blockchain channel, everybody. Hey, buckle up. This is going to be a quick one. We want to go ahead and just talk about microtransactions. BMW, a little while ago, back in 2020, said they were going all in on in-car transactions. And during that time in 2020, they thought it would work in a number of different ways in their operating system 7. And they said at this point in time that they figured it would work because, according to BMW, the most straightforward is that the owner can, at some point, pay for certain features that they didn't initially buy with the car. And what that would mean is that BMW would more than likely have to upfront build those features into the car through the manufacturing process so that, quite frankly, one, they wouldn't have to develop all of these different trim levels. All vehicles would come with all trim levels, and quite frankly, then you would just have to pay for certain types of things. Now, but BMW could make some money back from secondary owners of these cars. People buying them on the used car market, or as in more likely with them, BMW, picking them up on a 3-year lease. So let's go ahead and get into what this means for BMW. There are a number of articles out there that BMW is betting on this heated seat subscriptions and a subscription passes for various sorts of things. In South Korea, that is one of the first areas they're looking to launch this. They actually already have. So they are betting that over its heated seat subscriptions will work out quite well. Now, there has been some fuss that had to do with the database mistake in South Korea, where heated seating or seat heating is standard in the new BMWs, and therefore you wouldn't need to unlock it. In other words, get charged for it. So drivers are getting a little irritated, saying, "Hey, what's going on?" Basically, they're saying that the drivers there who got the offer to subscribe to the functionality anyway were a little irritated. So they're saying to themselves, wait a minute, I already got this thing. I already got it in my car. I already bought the car. Now you want me to subscribe to this over-the-air subscription? Yeah, they didn't like that. Now, BMW did go ahead and apologize and quickly fix the issue and is clarifying it with customers in other markets who have paid for heated seating when buying their BMWs, so they won't have to repay for it. And that's what happened. People were buying these BMWs and like, hey, what's going on? I can't believe this is the case. Now let's go back a little notch, okay? This has been in articles all over the place. You can see right here on the screen, BMW is putting in there. There are also other manufacturers. Let me know in the description, in the link, in the comments, what you think about paying for these micro subscriptions in vehicles. And just so you know, you can see right here, BMW is going to be charging $18 a month for heated seats. And this could be in the UK, Germany, South Korea, and some other countries. So that's it, a real quick one. Let me know what you think in the description channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time on the Automotive Blockchain channel.